Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Almost a month before the official premiere, the new Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra in all its glory, one of the highest quality images of the flagship, has been published. Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra in a new Cobalt Purple color, and major upgrades are revealed online. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. A new leak has surfaced online. With just under a month to go until the official unveiling of the flagship Samsung Galaxy S26 series, increasingly high-quality images of the device are starting to appear online. Renowned tech leaker Evan Blass has published what is likely the highest quality render of the Galaxy S26 Ultra to date. The smartphone is shown in a new deep Cobalt Violet color, paired with the company's signature new improved S-Pen Stylus. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra will reportedly be available in black, white, silver shadow, sky blue, cobalt violet, and pink gold. Notably, none of these colors are associated with a titanium finish. It remains unclear whether all colors will be available at all retailers, or whether some will be exclusive to Samsung's official website. Additionally, wireless power transfer, WPT, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth, NFC, UWB, and satellite connectivity have been revealed for the device. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is positioned as the top-of-the-line model of the Galaxy S series in 2026. According to preliminary data, the Galaxy S26 Ultra will be just 7.9 mm thick, but no battery improvements are expected. It will remain at a 5000 mAh battery. The Galaxy S26 Ultra will feature a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED display with a QHD+ resolution and will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset. The new smartphone will be one of the first commercial devices to ship with Android 16 operating system and the updated One UI 8.5 skin pre-installed. The base version will come with 256 GB of storage. The main camera will feature sensors with resolutions of 200 megapixels, 50 megapixels, 50 megapixels, with 5x zoom, and 10 megapixels, with 3x zoom. As a reminder, according to numerous leaks, the official premiere of the Galaxy S26 line will take place on February 25th. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.